Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again, and in this episode we will be learning how to tie common whipping. It's a basic fundamental knot that I've used in quite a few tutorials, and I wanted to go over its basic usage as well as a few ways you can use it in paracord crafting. So let's get into it. So to start off, I'm going to show you how common whipping is most commonly used, in that it is used to keep natural fiber rope from unraveling and fraying. Traditionally, I think whipping is done with natural fiber like twine, but I'm using this accessory cord so it's easier to see. So with one end, I'm going to make a bite towards the end of the rope, and then with the running end, I'm going to start wrapping the cord around the fiber rope towards the bite. Continue wrapping a few times, and once you reach the end, you're going to pass your running end through the loop. Then pull that corresponding end shut to lock the end down. And from there, you can pull tightly to tighten the knot overall and get the ends underneath the wrapped section. Then you can clip off your ends of your excess cord and your whipping is complete. Now the rope will not fray or unravel any further. Now, as mentioned, this knot is also very useful in terms of paracord crafting. For example, you can use it for simple bracelets to create a loop for the knot and loop clasp method, like so here. I've done it with some microcord and it works quite well. Sometimes I like to end my knot and loop bracelets with a little tail on the end, just below the diamond knot, and a whipping knot can be used for that as well. And finally, you can even make a full bracelet with the whipping knot. I've done a tutorial on that before, albeit an older video, but you can simply extend the whipping knot across a length of cord as long or as short as you want, and make a very nice and simple bracelet that way as well. And so there we have it, Weavers, common whipping, a simple knot that I think all paracord crafters should know. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters who make videos like this possible. If you want access to exclusive content and the Weavers of Eternity Discord and want to support the channel directly, please feel free to check out my Patreon page. You can also support the channel by liking the video, commenting, and subscribing. If you enjoy the content here, please feel free to check out what I have to offer on the rest of my channel.